Namaste and welcome to Reset Your Shakti. Now let's understand how to do Pawanmuktasana. We already have every detail about this asana in your guide. This is just the practical session how this asana is to be performed. So again, this asana is done from the supine position where we're going to lie down on our back. So I'm going to show you how to do this. For this, bring yourself in supine position. Going to lie down on your back, hands next to your hips, gaze up. Now slowly bring both the legs. We already seen Dvipada Uttan Padasana. We're going to bring both the legs up in 90 degrees while inhaling. From here, let's fold both the legs and try to press the thighs in your stomach. And from here, arms are wrapping around your legs. And if possible for you, bring your neck, try to touch the chin to your knees. Breathe normal. Again, no pressure in any of your body parts. Hold as much as possible to release. Slowly, neck down. Arms next to your body. Straighten both your legs up. Slowly. While exhaling, bring your legs down. And this is Pawanmuktasana. Happy practicing.